In this video, I'll show you how to embed Calendly in Squarespace step by step so you can add a smooth booking experience directly to your website without confusing your visitors. This is a great setup if you want people to schedule calls, consultations, appointments, or discovery sessions right from your Squarespace page. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials just like this one. Let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account. Once you're inside Calendly, head over to the scheduling section. This is where all of your event types live, so you want to find the specific event that you want to place on your Squarespace site. It could be a one-on-one meeting, a free consultation, or any custom event you've already created. After you find the correct event, click Share. This is where Calendly gives you options for sharing your booking page in different ways. From the sharing menu, choose Add to Website. Calendly will now show you a few embed styles, and for a simple in-page booking section, select Embed Inline. This is usually the best option if you want the scheduler to appear directly on the page instead of opening in a pop-up. Next, copy the generated embed code. This code is what connects your Calendly event to your Squarespace page, so make sure you copy it exactly as shown. Once you have that code copied, switch over to Squarespace and log into your account. Inside Squarespace, open the page where you want Calendly to appear. This could be a contact page, a booking page, a services page, or even your homepage if you want visitors to schedule with you right away. When you're on the correct page, click Add Block. Squarespace will let you insert different types of content blocks, and for Calendly, you want to select Code. Now paste the Calendly embed code into the code block. After pasting it in, Squarespace may show a preview or allow you to save the block. Double check that the code is placed properly and that nothing was accidentally removed during the copy and paste process. Once everything looks good, save your changes. The final step is to publish the page. Saving alone won't always make the embed live for your visitors, so make sure you go all the way through and publish the page to push the changes live on your Squarespace website. After that, open the page in a new tab and test the booking section to confirm that Calendly is displaying correctly and that visitors can schedule with you without any issues. And that's it. You've now embedded Calendly in Squarespace. This is one of the easiest ways to make your website more interactive and turn visitors into booked clients faster. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.